What is up, guys? It's me, Kirsten. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be making some ramen noodles in the microwave. This is how you make them. This is the whole video that I'm going to be doing. So I am very excited. So let's just go ahead and move the bread so I can set you guys up. So the first item you will need is a bowl, which unfortunately I don't have right now. So I'm just going to come over here to this one. The dishwasher. Okay. No. Yes. No. No, not that. No, no. No, they're not clean. Poop. 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 Whoa. So I guess that means we have to use a glass bowl, which gets very hot. I can't even reach them. How can I make ramen noodles if I can't even reach the bowl? Gosh. Well, I guess this is gonna be our whole video. I don't know. Oh. So I'm just going to set you guys right here in the middle. So. We good. Okay. Ow. Okay, so we got them. Finally. I'm very comfortable. So we're first going to. Okay, so the first ingredient I think so is a bowl. The next ingredient is these big babies. Love ramen noodles. Hurts. My sister's walking in here like, what's wrong? Just so you know, if you walk through here, it can't be on YouTube. I can? Yeah. Look, guys, she doesn't want to be on YouTube.
Because she's so stupid for it.
She's raunchy and cringy. I don't think
If y'all see a TikTok of her, just do not like it at all.
If y'all see a TikTok of hers, wait, well, you won't anymore.
I get a lot of likes because we are famous. Just kidding. I still get a lot of likes, though.
Well, not a lot. Just by your sake. You just got all those likes from your crush. Used to be crush. Okay, I think this was right. So, Reagan, how do we microwave these? You guys. Oh my gosh, this is too small. Y'all, this bowl is too small. Okay, now we fill it up with water. I think we're supposed to do that first, but yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so I don't want a lot of juice at all. And I just put so much water in here, which is gonna mess it up. Okay, so I just poured a pretty good bit out. I'm just gonna I barely even put it in my bucket. So, everything's soaked. So, how long do we put it in the microwave? long do we put it in the microwave? 5 minutes? I will see you guys after it is done microwaving. So, yes. Okay, guys. So that has literally been 3 minutes and 30 seconds later. Literally. So I'm going to get some TikTok dances in. I was a little off there. Oh wait, I'm still. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Savage. 1 minute left. Oh, my eyeball itches in my foot. Okay. Let's do party, party, party. Pass me a ticket, take a shot to the head. Yeah, 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 yeah. You wanna take me home? Put me in the bed in my Bible. Woo! I be going yee. Perfect. And now. Whoa. Ow. Y'all. I'm so bored. Y'all. This video is not sponsored by whatever that says. I'm lazy right now. I don't know why, but I'm about to taste one of these. Dang, they're actually pretty good. I hope this is like not bad. So like 3, 5, 4 years ago, something like that, I've posted and like my videos were horrible. Oh, good, 5 minutes. Let me get a towel because I know this bowl is going to be hot. Oh. Okay, I know there's going to be juice. Oh, no. No. Is that wrong? I don't know what it is wrong, but it's something. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, I'm good. I hope. That looks so wrong. Hopefully. Dang, that's hot. Dang! That's hot. My, oh my. So, earlier, I was watching Raquel. No, it's Piper Raquel. She is a YouTuber. And almost all of her videos, I think it is all of her videos, has either her squad or her boyfriend in it. Oh, and we will never forget Freddie or Fred. I forgot. I just started watching them today, and so far, you know, guys, I love him. Like, oh, and also make sure you go watch the Ohana Adventures and subscribe to all of their channels. They got the brothers, the sisters, and the 2 teens. The 2 teens do not film together, but the small sisters do, and the brothers do. just if you didn't know. But make sure you do go and watch their channel. Yeah. So I should probably... Okay, so yes, you do need the water. You just have to strain it. My bad. But you know, that's okay, right? This video was 10 minutes long. That's usually sometimes how long it takes to make these, literally. Sometimes if you're doing it right and not getting it all, it'll probably take, yummy, a little bit less time.
This tastes so good,
guys. I'm so excited to go and eat it. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I mean, you guys probably are like, bro, what do you do? I'm also getting a popsicle just to go along. Yum. Oh, I don't know which one. It's like a mixture. But I think I am going to go with green. I don't know why. Ow, my toe. That hurt my toe. Ow, my toe. That hurt my toe. Ow, my toe. But I'm okay now. But I'm probably not. Ow! Ow! Oh! Don't know where that went. Okay, I found it. You guys, I'm struggling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Oh! You see that? Wait. That time you seen nothing. Peace.